By May 29, 2026, all EU member states, including Italy, must implement the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive 2024. This regulation fundamentally reshapes property values, making 74% of Italian homes harder to sell and requiring renovations that often exceed their current market price. Understanding these changes is crucial for property buyers in Italy. The directive mandates energy efficiency improvements, affecting property values and renovation costs. Let's explore what this means for you. The APE, or Energy Performance Certificate, is essential for understanding a property's energy efficiency. In Italy, 74.1% of buildings are rated E, F, or G, indicating poor energy performance. Many property listings omit APA certificates, a potential red flag for buyers. Without this document, assessing a property's energy efficiency becomes challenging, potentially leading to unexpected costs. Energy renovations can cost €2,000 or more per square meter. For a 300 square meter property, expect a minimum of €600,000 for upgrades. These figures are based on actual renovation projects meeting current standards. It's essential to factor these costs into your investment calculations. Renovations are not just about compliance, they significantly impact property value and marketability. Properties renovated before 2010 likely don't meet current energy standards. Even recent renovations may require additional upgrades to achieve Class A ratings, as the EPBD requirements apply regardless of previous work. Understanding these requirements is crucial. Properties below Class A already show different market valuations, and this gap is expected to widen as regulations tighten. Energy renovations involve insulation, heating, cooling, and structural upgrades. Expect extended timelines of 18, 24 months and continuous professional oversight. Historic buildings present unique challenges and potential hidden costs. Professional assessments are essential. Energy consultants, structural engineers, and renovation specialists can provide detailed evaluations of compliance requirements and realistic cost projections. Verify the current APE certificate and energy rating before purchase. Consider potential reclassification under new EU standards and factor in renovation costs, timeline pressures, and property value impacts. Insist on seeing current APE certificates and detailed energy documentation. Properties without transparent energy performance disclosure may indicate significant future compliance costs. Seek professional assessments to understand compliance requirements and costs. Make informed decisions based on complete information, not assumptions. Knowledge is your strongest tool in navigating Italy's changing property landscape. Remember, even properties with current C or D ratings may face reclassification to lower categories under the new EU standards. Thorough investigation of renovation requirements and associated costs is crucial. Don't let the absence of an APE or a seemingly moderate energy rating become tomorrow's financial burden. These aren't minor details, they're indicators of potentially significant future investments. Take time to understand what you're truly purchasing. Request complete documentation, seek professional energy assessments, and factor renovation costs into your investment calculations. Make informed decisions for a secure investment.